Hi, it's Monica. Today's plant video. Look at this plant. I showed you this a little while ago. It's got so much more activity. But that's not really why I wanted to make a video today. So as I was moving into this new place, I was like, gosh, I really want to get some plants, and I just hadn't done it yet. And then I went outside, and on the pavement, there was a flower that had just been like ripped out of the ground and thrown out. And I was like, oh, I'll take that home. And so I picked it up and I took it inside. And every time I go to the store, I forget to get a pot for it or more dirt, which it needs. But I've been keeping it alive in a little plastic cup. See, look, it doesn't have enough dirt. And every once in a while, it totally kind of falls over. And then I go, oh, I need to water that. And then I go and I just put water in here and I kind of pour it out so it's not all just sitting in water, because that can be a little hard for it. And then it perks up again. And then I think, oh, I need to go get a pot and some dirt for it. And then I forget. And it's been a few weeks, but it's been really fun anyway. And it's such a sweet little flower. I think this is a marigold. See, I don't even always remember the names of the plants. But I just wanted to say that, like, you can have fun with plants even if you do it wrong. Even if you don't have dirt, even if you don't have pots. Sometimes plants will just fall out of the sky onto the ground if you ask for them. I didn't steal it, I swear. But so I'm about to leave. It's always right when I'm about to leave that some plant is like, put me on Facebook. And this one is the one that wanted to say hello to you all today. And I also, I really like to make jokes and to laugh. And this little plant and I are just having a great time laughing at how silly things are. I mean, in my humble opinion, this is a very funny plant anyway. Just every time I see it, it makes me smile. Not just this specific plant, but this whole family of plants. Yeah, they're just such a sturdy plant that can put up with so much, obviously, and attract so much insect life. And it's cool to meet a really hardy plant that can hang out with you no matter what, how you treat it. So I just wanted to say that while I have some things that are a little bit tender, I also have some things that are really almost like street kids. They can like live in the gutter in a way. And I find it really fun, like, especially for those of you, some people have mentioned that like they kill plants because they like take care of them too much, or they overwater them or something like that. So I, in the past, I would always make sure to get a plant that could handle being smothered. And then every time I was like, oh, I need to do something for my plants, so I would just do it for that. And there was this one plant that just really loved to, basically it was like from a swamp, so it kind of always needed to be watered. So I would just always water it and leave the other ones alone. And then it was like, this is going to be horrible, but it was like the one who got the brunt of the abuse and then took care of all the other plants for keeping me away from trying just to like play with them, like squeeze them to death. But yeah, you can just have so many different types of plants depending on what your own personality is like. And some may do really well with you and some may not. And some people are like, I kill plants. But maybe it's just you haven't found the plants that work with you yet, you know? There are some plants, like I said, that love to be watered, and there are some plants that like are fine with being forgotten, and actually really thrive with that. And then there are some plants that will just let you put them in a plastic cup and they will still bloom for you for weeks and weeks. So just know that, like I said in my title, you don't have to be an expert and you don't have to do it right. And you can still play and have so much fun. And how cool is that? So, all right, now I really do have to go, but all of these plants, there's this one too. I think they just all need camera time. They're like, ooh, show me, show me. Maybe this one will be in the future. Isn't it so cool? Oh my God, okay, so distractible. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon when the next plant decides to come on camera.